Hello guys! In today's video, you will learn how to find trending sounds on Facebook. So without further ado, let's start! To start, you can go ahead and create a Facebook reel. Now tap on sound icon. You can now add music. From here, you can see the list of sounds that you can choose from. But we are looking for sounds that have fire emoji. The fire emoji indicates that the sound is trending. So look for the sound that has emoji fire on it. Just scroll down to see more. And then tap on the sound that you like to add this to your video. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.